Welcome to our next tutorial on interview questions. So now here today we'll concentrate on one of the major important interview question on Android, that is what is content provider. What is content provider? So what is content provider? This we can check here now. See what is content provider. Simply this content provider is the component. So it's one of the component of Android that we know, and it supplies data from one application to other application, from one other application to other application, not activity. It's transfer the data between the applications to the others on request. Means application to others, it's on request. When they request, it will be transfer the data. So this is nothing but it's content provider. But this is very, very important here. This such requests are handled by content resolver class. So in this there is a one class is there, content resolver. This content resolver class can handle this content. So content provider can use different ways to store the data and can access database files over a network. Means using some application we may store the data that we can access, so that we can call as a content provider. So this content provider, as like simple example is contacts application. So simply can take here, this is my WhatsApp application, this is my contacts application. Here this is the WhatsApp, and this is contacts. So now continuously WhatsApp is accessing the contacts from here. This is accessing contacts from here always. Then any of the new account, new message, new number message in WhatsApp, new WhatsApp number, there is option store, save contact. If you save those contacts, that contact can be saved in contacts only. So that is a main advantage. Means either you can retrieve data or you can store the data. That is the advantage of this simple. Not only this contacts, gallery. So either we can take the images, videos, files from the gallery, or you can store the data in this. Means once you are downloading. So that is one of the example for this. Means content provider is nothing but it's already predefined programs. Those predefined programs we are using in our different programs we can use. Because if I'm my application XYZ application is my application, I kept the provision of XYZ application to content provider provision. Is this work out or not? So definitely it could not work out. Why? Because if we put like this, what happens if I put like XYZ? Maybe I install XYZ application. In your phone there is no XYZ application. That time I could not access this data. Means whenever if your application wants to work as a content provider, that application must and should be in a root level. Otherwise it could not work. So that is. So here mainly accessing the contacts, accessing the messages, accessing the gallery. So like a system, Bluetooth, camera. So these all are we can say as a content provider. pointers, so that we can use as a content provider these things. So but this is very very important for our Android application development, when especially this is for social media applications. It's very very important. So this is about content provider. Please subscribe to get more updates. Thank you.